A special assembly session for ratification of the Constitution 126 Amendment Bill 2019 will be convened tomorrow. CLP leader Okomibobi appeals government to give an opportunity to discuss on flaws in inner line permit guidelines 2019 during special assembly session tomorrow. Lok Sabha MP Dr. Th Randhir says Citizenship Amendment Act will save and preserve indigenous inhabitants. Alleges Congress and left parties of misleading youths on CAA. And BJP begins 10-day nationwide mass contact drive from today to mobilize support for the Citizenship Amendment Act. Kurumjari, good evening. You are watching Sunday Primetime English News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories this evening. A special Manipur Legislative Assembly session will be held tomorrow. The session is convened to give assent of the Constitution 126 Amendment Bill 2019. The bill has urged Lok Sabha and State Legislative Assembly to extend the duration of seat reservations of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe seats for minimum 10 years. It may be mentioned that the deadline is on January 25, 2020. Following approval of the State Assembly, the deadline will be extended for 10 years. It may be mentioned that Minister of Law and Justice Ravi Shankar Prasad tabled the bill on December 9, 2019 during the recent winter parliament session, and it was passed in the Lok Sabha on the next day. The bill was also passed in Rajya Sabha on December 12, 2019. The bill, which was already passed by the parliament, was sent over for approval by the state assemblies. Leader of Congress Legislature Party cum opposition leader Okomibobi has urged the government to give an opportunity to discuss on the flaws in inner line permit guidelines 2019 during the special session of Manipur Legislative Assembly tomorrow. Speaking to media at his quarter in Babupara today, Okomibobi said that the people of the state have longed for implementation of RPS in the state since early days. He asserted that Congress party welcomes the centre government's approval to implement RPS in the state. He appealed to include the opposition members while making amendments to the rules and regulation of inner line permit system. He expressed discontentment that the government, however, published Manipur Inner Line Permit Guidelines 2019 on December 31, 2019, ignoring the pleas of opposition. Mentioning that guidelines lacks proper identification and protection of indigenous inhabitants, he pointed out that the guideline even lacks who will be put under permanent resident category. Ibobi further lamented that the guidelines does not include important statements mentioned in the Manipur Bill Protection Bill, which was unanimously passed by Manipur Legislative Assembly.
Provisions into Masida inner line permit system, Masi Satnava Hore and Hariba, January Tangwan, the Satnava Hore, Haribase, Masida Madu incorporate Tauba Taudabra. Indigenous people Haibama, permanent resident Haibama, Anishu Pachana define Taudieva, Kogi Manipuri. Hairoga the Hatu Taugivani, Simdopo Yaina, even Indian Constitution, Matamgi Matung amendment, which is another 126 amendment like Simdopo Yai, Moindum Irai Linadum, Harpayai, permanent resident Haibasina Canano Carino, Adu indigenous Haibina Canano Carino, Nagalian de Gadi Moihana identified Tauraga. Koi Manipur is at Pa Adam Matam Kra Lairu Kolu Mayam Singse, indigenous people near Moi Laude, recognition to PDF.
Ibobi also questioned if the government has taken into consideration the ILP system's rules and regulation of ILP regime states like Nagaland, Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh, stating that Central Paramilitary Force army personnel and their family members are exempted from ILPs as per the guidelines, Ibobi mooted if such situations will not harm the state's integrity. He pointed out that the guidelines fails to mention the length of stay for students, as the students will be allowed to enter the state without ILP. He maintained that the opposition party does not oppose all the undertakings of the ruling party. He appealed not to take the statements expressed by opposition regarding issues like ILP personally.
Prajajingi interesta hujita natana kona lakadoriba horkadoriba generation mayam punamaksigi hananaba koi khana nainasi Manipur si mayam na ju thangire paidagi pick by state jam pick by state nina sangsak lakadoriba mito miyan cha haigadra mayam si koi India gi nagarik haktani na sangna dabdi haroi sanga taragati permission adu amu hangiba tardi matam kharagi laambado say example da sidai da posting leiba IAS ki kangu sing hairo army ki hairo Manipur da posting leiba kangu do adu natabada moi gi maming da ai Manipur da posting leibang khaidi yani hai moina family khangde mari umta khangde akhoi mari umta ne adu pangpu purang gani haibana te ko pusala agadi heta yaga dori bra singna singba mayam ama leiba se hayeng phamgadori ba session sidai government da akhoi gi proposal di masidai da matam PBU akhoi mayam asi trade bear discussion tahosi.
Lok Sabha MP Dr. Th Randhir led more than 60 people in a mass rally held in support of Citizenship Amendment Act, that is CAA, in and around Khongampat and Imphal West along Imphal-Dimapur Road today. Khongampat Jila Parishad organized a rally. Speaking to media, Dr. Th Randhir said that the youths oppose Citizenship Amendment Act as they fail to understand the act. He alleged Congress and left parties of misleading youths on CAA. He proclaimed that CAA will save and preserve the indigenous inhabitants of the state. Dr. Th Randhir appealed youths to fully comprehend the act and extend their support. He further termed the statements like students' organizations and Congress party regarding amendment of guidelines of the inner line permit system as unnecessary. The Lok Sabha MP also said that ILP regulation will not harm the indigenous inhabitants and the state's integrity in any manner. Various slogans like "We support CAA," "Narendra Modi Yaifare," "Amit Shah Yaifare," "CM Biren Yaifare" were chanted during the rally.
Naharol Singdo Maruena Citizenship Amendment Act se Karino Haibase Munna Kangdaba Mali Citizen Act Asidi 1955 taki Sanadana Leraba Adugumba Port Amani Paliba Sri Modi gi Sarkar na Lauriba Amendment Sina Laibak Ahum Maruena Bangladesh Pakistan Aduga Afghanistan da Makhoigi Jati gi Oiba Dharma se Islamic Aida Laukthokre aduna makoina prosecution tauba Islam olo yadraba adur boy dugumba mioi singa do 31st December phaugi mamangda Bharat selaktre laigiba sing do madu akhoigi Bharat ki nagarik oina ohensi haidana adugi damukta pass tauba ekni
I speak Japanese.
ILP gi matangda
Morning, si sali je kai
ILP si amendment bingi si
Naharol Singdo Maruena.
Meanwhile, most of the rallies did not know the purpose of the rally, which was held in support of the Citizenship Amendment Act.
I speak Japanese.
ILP gi matangda
Morning, si sali je kai
ILP si amendment bingi si yaningi
ye hoji Manipur chhatra na ha mayam na si yaning de na mayam khola khongjang mayam changjali ko moi da kai haini
masis da rajniti gi oibagi thabak tabako kana gumba mina jo rajniti ati rajniti tare dana ko party mana so opposition sing na so adudi aduni adani na insin diba mayama masule na khanjai agi mota madu puna makto lobi dana akhoi gi phanana bane ha se khallaga akhoi di asi chanabado dum yaje na haijage thamjage.
Proscribed Konglek Park Communist Party People's War Group has resolved to ban all the Catholic schools in the state permanently. PWG PRO Chinkai Nganba in a press release said that The resolution was taken following wrongful admission of children under quotas by Catholic schools, its attention to revert to culture and religion of the state and disregard to the outfit. The proscribed outfit warned the teachers, staffs, parents association and van services of stringent actions if they fail to heed the warning. State Women Wing of Republican Party of India Athwale Manipur State Committee, led by State President Maheshwar Thaunawjam, was formed today. Renowned actor Haishtam Indu was elected as president, R.K. Bhanumati and Oinam Bimolata as vice presidents, and Nandaivam Minalakshmi as general secretary of RPI Athwale Women Wing. The newly elected executive members were accorded a warm welcome during a reception ceremony at the residence of Maheshwar Thaunawjam in Kaishampat, Ehebam, Leirak today. Speaking to media, Maheshwar Thaunawjam said that women has pivotal roles in development of political party, society and nation. He asserted that representatives of RPI Athwale Women Wing are all party leaders and they have got great role in making a developed society. Maheshwar Thaunawjam urged people of the state to extend their support to him and his endeavors in bringing influential changes in the society.
Housewife oriba mamai mother oriba ichi oibiriba ichanupi oibiriba mayam se really I feel proud mo yaudana family na panbe ate mo yaudana organization mo oibi ate mako yaudana laiba ma sembe ate mako yaudana society ma sembe ate ado this is the most important part haitare aina haizagadaba mana asena Republican Party of India Athwale aina pusinjare haizabagi wani sengna haragadi huzik lairiba phammi ba chauki amomda phammi ba mama mayam se si leader amomni ko.
Members of Sana Janmastan Club Kaishamtong felicitated ICAR Breed Conservation Award 2019 awardee, Head of Department of Animal Sciences, College of Agriculture, Central Agriculture University, Imphal, Dr. Randhir at the club today. It may be mentioned that Dr. Randhir received the award during Kishan Divas celebration at Indian Council of Agricultural Research ICAR National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources in Karnal, Haryana on December 23, 2019. Former Director of Health Services Manipur, Dr. H. Hemchandra, former Deputy Director of Social Welfare Department, P. Deben, President of Sana Janmastan Club, T.H. Gopi Mohan, and many people of the area attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Th Randhir said that he was conferred upon the prestigious award in recognition of his significant role and efforts in preserving the endangered Manipuri pony. Asserting that lone efforts of university and some private organization cannot save the pony, he called upon the people for their joint efforts in preserving the endangered pony. He also espoused the need to preserve grazing areas in the state. Dr. Th Randhir lauded Chief Minister Nongthomam Biren-led government for its initiatives, including formation of a conservation board to save the endangered Manipuri pony.
Pony conservation is the theory not it's very much practical way of it. But when I important is a way Puxel sing Bamasangi, Loina, Bigan Gilo sing Amasangi, Loina, Katok Bamaga, Loina, Honarakan, animals missing Hangala Caneva, Haribo, Pumsine, Mayamna, Marona Thompson is a Loina Western government give my Kayaki, positively young Siko, Pony conservation and development policy, we same Masi Makada Manipur Pony Development Board Sangre, Kai Kumazaraba, Manipur Honorable Chief Minister, Th Randhir Singh, and Chairman, Aduga, Honorable Veterinary Animal Husbandry Minister, so Vice Chairman Wari, a Samosu member Wari, don't resource people may be definitely a way Soidana, Garigumba development Kurdi Yamatuna Pora Agani Habisia, must see a Tamzage.
Coordinating body of a trade unions Manipur in a press release said that the union will extend full support in the nationwide general strike called by Central Trade Union and various independent organizations on January 8, 2020. The union urged the public to cease work during the general strike. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on commencements of 10-day nationwide mass contact drive to mobilize support for CAA at New Delhi by BJP. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News on Impact TV. BJP launched a 10-day nationwide mass contact drive to mobilize support for Citizenship Amendment Act, that is CAA, at New Delhi today. Union ministers, BJP leaders Rajnath Singh and Nitin Gadkari are participating in the door-to-door campaign held in different parts of the country. BJP led the mass contact drive in giving awareness of CAA to the people. BJP also launched a toll-free number, that is 8866 288 662, for people to give missed calls to register their endorsement of the law as a part of the program. The mass contact drive was also launched in various parts of the country, including Lucknow, Banarasi, Haryana and Panchkula. Acting on a tip-off, a combined team of 165 Territorial Army and Moreh Police arrested an individual in possession of 400 pieces of wireless ure tablets and 62 grams of heroin powder yesterday. According to Impact News sources, the team seized the contraband drugs from a man who rode a Kenbo bike during a search operation conducted at Lokchau along Imphal-Moreh Road. Ningombam Lairenjau Center of Pung, Khongman Zone 5 has presented its annual Guru Ningsing Mana to two renowned Pung gurus today. The award aimed to uplift and enhance the historic Maite Pung. Third Guru Ningombam Lairenjau Memorial Award was conferred upon 94 years old Leishangthem Temba from Thoba Leishangthem, while the first Guru Ningombam Ibobi Memorial Award was bestowed upon 98 years old Khetrimayum Mangi from Singjamai Khetrilegai as an acknowledgement for their immense contributions in preserving and uplifting the art form. Speaking on the occasion, Lok Sabha MP Dr. Th Randhir said that the state is worldwide famous for its rich and unique art and culture. He asserted that UNESCO have also recognized the state's Nath Sankirtan. Member of Ujekon Nongchup Jilla Parishad, Saram Nakin, and many eminent people attended the event.
Malemda Manipur ki Sanskriti amasung culture ase masak naiba mo oiba ngamibani. Maram aduna ni haukiba sahi kharada aikhoi gi Nath Sankirtan gi oigera punama ase prithivida laiba miyam sigi lan oina UNESCO na aikhoi da cultural heritage ki adugumba sakhangba laibi kharabani. Asigumba sakhangba sing ase kanana tawbirambano hairagadi ngasi mak thainagi ahlaman singi parampara tu kaidana guru sisagi khongul sida laga pungi oigera amagi oiger isegi oigera jagoi gi oigera asumaina liklam ase tattana mathang la akanda ngasigi male masida ekhoibu masak tapi bangami bani.
5th Kundongbam Rajendra Theatre Festival 2020 will be held at Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy from January 18 to 24th. Kundongbam Rajendra Cultural Trust will organize the festival on the theme Theatre Crossing Boundary. 7 theatre plays will be performed by various theatre groups, including representatives from Bangladesh, Tripura and Assam. Speaking to media at Hot Pot Restaurant in Wankai today, Chairman of the Festival Committee, R.K. Nimai, appealed people to participate in the 7-day festival, which is open to all with no entry fee.
Bangladesh ki Honorable Mazargaon Drama Party Haibasina Kainaba Yaroi Haibasi Sanabigani Masi Lechungwam Rajkumar na director buni Manipur ki leiba bhawok mayam oina mangling biro koi Manipur ki theater si play ama pangha paisa yam changi theater group se aduna sidai sida nungai ri sidi bhawok mayam na lenga aga khwak khobi ba thagat pi ba cheibi ro su kaisu kaite askhoi ba yaur ga su मधु नंगी लाली मसी तवी है ना गांगी बजे करीम तक कायदे तब मैम से लंबीर सानजरीब स्टेज की फंपाक सानरीब मैम की पुनिंग थोगटपीयोना मधुमता अपील तौजगे
Naharol Saitya Premi Samiti Imphal held its 60th Foundation Day at the auditorium of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy today. A symposium on the contributions of eminent writer Kangjam Padma Kumar in Manipuri literature was also held as a part of the event. Speaking on the occasion, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham lauded the literalists for their earnest roles for the welfare of the society.
Nasi saita to biriba nasing yang rasu Manipur dar micing lag uniban mapal lay bersida mioi samri changna saita di lamda tawuk to biriba mayam sina sama sibu himai chumbuda soba daita ama lauri havasti ai haiman mutok te haina ina kanjai saita to biriba sing sina sama sida apaba wakalon message biba natana the Karima around the Amata Tawuri Wari Tajabo Fandi, Massimo, Kuikurimoti, Chani.
Art and Culture Commissioner M. Joy released a top of films, a Manipuri feature film entitled Education the Mai Onsilasi today. The event was held at the auditorium of Manipur State Film Development Society, MSF DS in Palace Compound. The film aimed to instill the purpose and significance of a good education to the upcoming youths and students of the state. Budding Manipuri actors Dolly Robinson and Elena are in the lead roles of the film, directed by Rosendra Kar Ningomba and Kojam Obit. Helping Hand Group Academy Imphal, under the aegis of Helping Hand Group, felicitated the winners of the 17th state-level Triplex Competition 2019 today. The event was held at the Jubilee Hall of Imphal College. The competition was held exclusively for the students from class 3 to 9 for subjects such as science, mathematics and English grammar. Department of Transfusion Medicine RIMS Imphal, along with Human Initiatives Manipur and State Blood Cell National Health Mission Manipur, organized a voluntary blood donation camp as a part of the ongoing 5th Singju Festival 2020 today. Social activist Kamini Kumar, festival convener Pratap Laimujam and AK Sanjoy Meetay graced the event at District Sports Complex, Wangjing, Kodompokpi ground. Altogether, 40 volunteers, including stall owners, donated blood at the camp. Khwairakpa Irel Umanglai Ngakshil Lob Kasar, along with Khwairakpa Irel Umanglai Ngakshil Lob Jiribam, observed Umanglai Irat Thongni Thoram at the shrine of Khwairakpa Irel Umanglai Nongpok Ningthau today. The shrine is located in the middle of Barak River, following through Lakhipur in Kasar district, Assam. People coming from various areas offered prayers at the shrine. Pilgrims traveled by vehicles from Jiribam to Jirimukh and took a boat ride to offer prayers at the shrine. Jiribam District Police arranged a rescue team and kept a strict vigil to avoid any untoward incident.
Manipur border leriba akoi Jirimukh haiba khumsisu akoi yengsanjaraga haiba manglai si singi mayai da lebi posagase promote to yaba develop to yaba agriculture ge mage ji tourism ge mage de punna masisi yaba laksa ai apa hawi base sabcha da haiba mandrasi sei ke kuntami matamda ko black sabcha haiba du matamda Manipur ge wa chilpa du anga mathong sinma maruna kolak pa ha likin amaba gumma sina mathong sida ngi kuna la ningina mathong Manipur sibu kamane toroga ko kanli jaba mayang kunjanu jaba adu mo likin de halam nisudi.
Youth Adventure and Water Sports Festival 2019 concluded today. Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association organized the festival from December 27, 2019 until January 5, 2020 at MMI Ground, Lamdang. Chief Minister's Media Advisor Irengbam Arun, Deputy Director of Directorate of Tourism Dr. Yumnam Suraj, MCAs and MNITA President Vijay Kakching Tabam graced the event. Speaking at the valedictory event, Irengbam Arun lauded MMTA for taking initiative to preserve adventure sports and adventure tourism. He appealed to people for their cooperation in preserving and promoting adventure sports and adventure tourism in the state.
Maham tourist sport am da lakuma tamda mi duna lady ba miyam duga interaction to interaction to da akoi na yamna mi sing du taram okpagi akoi gi lamdam sigi akoi sini akoi miyam akoi gi culture akoi gi punchi mahing sine ba ut kadaris ana akoi na yamna vital loy praja sing gi wakhal se adu MMT na sida tourism adventure tourism gi thogang ama lawri ise Manipur da akoi gi di Manipur se martial race site are Manipuri sing se land da yam thauba land ni I am matam da land da wina pun thawai yam na lakpa maram duna adu martial tradition na lei udra ninga se akoi sana khona bagi kari gi hiram da yam na isang thau gi.
And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. A special assembly session for ratification of the Constitution 126 Amendment Bill 2019 will be convened tomorrow. CLP leader Okrami Bobi appeals government to give an opportunity to discuss on flaws in the Inner Line Permit Guidelines 2019 during special assembly session tomorrow. Lok Sabha MP Dr. Th Randhir says Citizenship Amendment Act will save and preserve indigenous inhabitants. Alleges Congress and left parties of misleading youths on CAA. And BJP begins a 10-day nationwide mass contract drive from today to mobilize support for the Citizenship Amendment Act.